Then science should write off the rule, once diabetic is always diabetic. And instead change it to diabetic before, but now no more. Then stop adding numbers of disabled person in the world by accepting the theory of realignment therapy that a diabetic person can heal.
Then, Brad Efren, did you inform the World Health Organization or kanang medical schools, diseases foundation, and the print and broadcast media about the discovery of the cause and permanent cure of diabetes, cancer, and other diseases?
Many times. Ako nang gi-email, ako sila gipadadaan, but as usual, no response, no publication. In their free exercise of their free will. Sa ato pa, magbuot ka, Atty. Ramirez, dili mo tuon mo.
Then what is your steps of their inaction and non-publication?
So I go on radio and TV so that our corporation, Realignment Therapy Center Incorporated, can make a information drive so that the medical men should incorporate misalignment theory and realignment therapy in their medical book so that they can cure diabetes, cancer. Kawa mo sila gi-cure bisag usa. So there must be there must be a mandatory inclusion of misalignment theory and realignment therapy in the medical book to solve diabetes, cancer, and other diseases.
What other steps can you recommend?
Those already cured permanently by diabetes and already eating cakes, ice cream, chocolates, and drinking soft drinks through realignment therapy. So, kamon mga televiewers karon nagtanaw, text your friends in the Philippines and abroad by this text. Realignment therapy of number 7 Oliva Street, Cebu City, Philippines discovers the cause and permanent cure of diabetes, all classes of cancer, arthritis, and other diseases. Try it and also text your friends about it.
Yeah, doon na kay putis, Brad Efren, sa mga biktima o na-amputated tungod ng scientific blunder, diabetic person cannot
heal. Doon ako'y duha ka putis ako ipakita. Kung saan itiken from Nabaliti, ito siguro itong November 19, 2004. Ikaduha, taken from Barangay Villalon, Kalubian, Leyte, itong December 4, 2004. Ngano, nasama niyo mo, nasama to stay? Muli, ginigo ka. Dili mo ayaw ka, mo ayaw dako. Pero actually, ano, arita magdao ka niya. Iya, agi mo yun eh. Wala nilek. Kaya uyarong tangon taning mga tinuod pag-give niya. Di kayo na yung diabetison. Alam po, sakit pa. Julia na po yun eh. Unya kini nasama po gamay na rin. Nagputlan na yun. Mo ko ni Julia nila na nagaling ka sa mat, putlan ka kani kayo. Napapunta na. Nalong ibasag kayo, kamay mo kayo, basta po. Puta na. Pero, ikaw di ka kaayo kay sakitan maka sa ilo. Kaya ka na diabetes para na sa insulin, kamay. Tulain ang hiling. Sakitan na sa ilo. So kung wag ka sakit sa ilo, jadi kayo, kumpirmado ang diabeteson, di kayo. Pero sakitan ka sa ilo, kumpirmado kung ang diabetes mag-ayo, ang diferensya sa imong ilo, hindi ka kayo. Kakatubita muna na itong pasyente din eh. Ano mag-ayo? Hindi po ito, hindi po